These smartphones look normal. But what they can do is insane. We're talking console-level gaming, DSLR quality cameras, and battery that just won't die. And trust me, number 1 will shock you. Let's start. Number 5, Google Pixel 10 Pro. This is the smartest smartphone you can buy right now. The Pixel 10 Pro isn't about flashy specs, it's about real intelligence. Perfect for content creators, social media users, everyday users who want the best camera experience. First impression? Clean, premium, smart AF. What makes it special? AI-powered photography and features. This phone literally fixes your photos, edits videos, and even helps you write messages. Real life? You just click, and boom, Instagram ready. No editing needed. Battery/power. Capacity, 5,100 mAh. Real usage. Normal use, 1.5 days. Heavy use, 7 to 8 hours. Charging. 45W fast charging. Full charge, 55 minutes. Real life. Charge once, and forget your charger till next day. Battery advantage. Google's AI optimization equals less battery drain than competitors. Camera/key specs. Main camera, 50MP. Ultra-wide, 48MP. Zoom, 5x optical. Front, 12MP. Video, 4K cinematic. Social media? Perfect. Night photos? Insane. Video? Smooth plus natural. Camera advantage. Still the king of point-and-shoot photography. Performance/features. Chipset, Tensor G5. RAM, 12 GB. Real performance. Smooth daily use, solid gaming. Special. AI call assistant. Live translation. Display/visuals. Size, 6.7 inch. Type, OLED. Refresh rate, 120 Hz. Smooth, clean, and super responsive. Future value. 7 years of updates. This phone? Not just for today. Easily 4 to 5 years future-proof. Heavy checkmark IP68 water resistant. Heavy checkmark clean Android. Heavy checkmark best AI features. Great, but things get way more powerful next. Number 4, OnePlus 13 Ultra. This is the true flagship killer of 2026. The OnePlus 13 Ultra is built for people who want top-tier performance, without paying crazy flagship prices. Perfect for gamers, power users, budget flagship buyers. First impression? Fast, clean, aggressive performance beast. What makes it special? Flagship performance at a lower price. You're getting almost the same power as $1,200 phones, but for hundreds less. Real life? Gaming, multitasking, daily use, everything feels super fast and smooth. Battery/power. Capacity, 5,500 mAh. Real usage. Normal use, 1.5 to 2 days. Heavy gaming, 8 to 9 hours. Charging. 100W fast charging. Full charge, 25 minutes. Real life. BAS 20 to 25 minutes charge Caro, or Pura Din Chill. Battery advantage. Bigger battery plus faster charging than most premium phones. Camera/key specs. Main camera, 50MP Sony sensor. Ultra-wide, 48MP. Zoom, 3x telephoto. Front, 32MP. Video, 4K 60 frames per second. Social media? Sharp and vibrant. Night shots? Bright and detailed. Video? Smooth and stable. Camera advantage. Not the best in the world, but way better than expected at this price. Performance/features. Processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. RAM, 12GB/16 GB. Real performance. Ultra smooth gaming, BGMI, COD, Warzone Mobile. No lag. No heating issues. Special features. Oxygen OS, clean plus fast, AI optimization. Gaming boost mode. Display/visuals. Size, 6.8 inch. Type, AMOLED. Refresh rate, 144 Hz. Super smooth scrolling. Bright plus punchy colors. Feels premium while gaming and watching content. Future value. 4 to 5 years smooth performance. This phone is not just powerful today. It will stay fast for years. Perfect for people who don't upgrade every year. Special features/extras. Heavy checkmark premium glass design. Heavy checkmark alert slider, fan favorite. Heavy checkmark fastest charging in its class. And now, we move to something even more powerful. Number 3, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is the all-in-one beast. Perfect for power users, business users, camera lovers. First impression? Big, powerful, dominating. What makes it special? Does everything perfectly? Camera, battery, display, all top tier. Battery capacity, 5,500 mAh. Normal, 2 days. Heavy, 8 to 9 hours. Charging, 65W fast. Full, 45 minutes. Real life. Use all day, still battery left. Camera. Main, 200 MP. Zoom, 10x optical. Insane zoom. DSLR level shots. Performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. 16GB RAM. Gaming, Ultra FPS. No lag. Ever. Display. 6.9-inch AMOLED. 144 Hz. Ultra smooth. Cinematic. Future value. 5+ years strong performance. Extras. Heavy checkmark S Pen. Heavy checkmark IP68. Heavy checkmark AI features. Still not number 1. Number 2, Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This is a camera monster. Perfect for photographers, creators. First impression? Bold, unique, professional camera vibes. What makes it special? Leica camera system. Real life? Photos look like DSLR. Battery. 6,000 mAh. 2 days normal. 9+ hours heavy. Charging. 120W fast. Full, 20 minutes. Real life. Charge for 10 minutes, use for hours. Camera. 1-inch sensor. Periscope zoom. Best photography phone. Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. 16GB RAM. Display. 2K AMOLED. 144 Hz. 4 to 5 years solid. Heavy checkmark premium design. Heavy checkmark fastest charging. And now, the king. Number 1, Sony Xperia 1.7. This is not a phone. This is a professional camera plus gaming machine. Perfect for filmmakers, gamers, hardcore users. First impression? Different. Powerful. Next level. What makes it special? Full manual control camera plus Pro Tools. Real life? You shoot movies, not just videos. Battery. 5,000 mAh. 1.5 days normal. 7 to 8 hours heavy. Charging 45W. Camera. True Pro-grade lenses. Real optical zoom. Cinema level video. Manual DSLR control. Performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite. 16GB RAM. Gaming beast. Zero lag. Display. 4K OLED. 120 Hz. Best display in any phone. Future value. Niche, but ultra powerful. This is for people who want control plus performance for years. So, which smartphone would you pick? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.